Welcome everyone, this is Ali, owner operator, DIY truck driver, international LT guys. I'm doing a review on this adhesive right there. I bought it HFT, I bought it from Harbor Freight. And I made a video when I was working on this. It's been an hour, guys. I'm telling you guys. Look guys. This thing, I'm telling you, that thing, guys, you will be happy to get this. Look, I will twist this thing. You see? Yeah, twist it. Stuck right there. It doesn't move. This product is cheap and really strong, guys. So from Harbor Freight, guys, cheap. If you got this kind of problem, broken plastic, you want to get it back, you have adhesive and you have the other one, which is you weld plastics together and they got colors. But I decided to get the adhesive. Anyways, guys, I hope this helped everybody. Please like and subscribe if you like this. And thanks for the support. Y'all have a good one.